welcome to Betio's. I am Sayed Mehmet Ismail, and today I want to talk about Scratch. So be with us. So let's start that. Of course, at first we want to download the Scratch, so we can search scratch.mit.edu/download, and here you can download it directly, or you can get it from Microsoft Store. And you can do in another way if you're confused with that link. You can search Scratch download. It comes you scratch.mit.edu download here, and you can go to it and again download directly, or you can get it from Microsoft Store. So because I downloaded it later, I can open it here. Scratch 3. You should download Scratch 3, the latest version. So here, at first we will talk about the parts of Scratch. The first part is stage, the second part is settings, and the third part is here, which is the coding part. And there are some other parts, for example costumes or sounds, and the menus here, and we will talk about them. So let's start that. So here we have a sprite in the stage part. What sprite? It is our main character that will do all things we want in our game or anything else. And it's very important to choose which sprite you want. It's very important to code well your sprite. So here it's sprite, the Scratch logo actually. You can delete it with this garbage button, and then you can choose sprite from here. If you select this search button or the sprite button, you can choose a sprite from the large collection of sprites here. For example, cheesy buffs, from animals to people, fantasy, dance, music, sports, food, fashion, and letters you can use in your work. And here we have a paint one that I will talk about at the last. And here surprise part, it will select a random sprite in your collection. For example, it's a pencil or a bird or this or the key or the horse. You can use it for anything. And actually it's an upload button. You can upload sprites from your files. For example, I will upload this actual Betio logo as a sprite here. And of course we have a great thing called painting sprite. You can paint a sprite that you want. For example, I will paint a house. What about backdrops? We have some backgrounds here, as you see. Actually, it is white now, and we can choose it from this spot. You can click on this button or the search button to choose a backdrop from the large collection of backdrop that Scratch has. You can use the city or something like this. I will choose the farm for now, and this will be great, and I will choose rooster. Here we have chicken. Yes, we have hen and rooster. So this will be great. I will use this, and actual rooster. I will use this and the here. We can use the chick, and this will be great. We have a large collection of our animals here. Maybe we can choose actually the sheep. We don't have sheep or cow, and we don't have cow too. Not a matter. Let me see which animal we have. We need a dog. Maybe this dog is better. I will choose this. So we have a large collection of farm animals here now, and we can code on it and say something to do. So we learned the stage part. Actually, we can do something else with the stage part. Actually, we can maximize it from here, run the code with this flag, and stop the code with this red button. So, and when you're coding, you can do something like this, that the the part that you're coding is really bigger and the stage will be actually smaller. But when you want to run your code, you can do something like this and see what is the code doing. So I will delete all of. Maybe I will use just hen, no chicken, no chick or rooster. So here we can name this. For example, the name is Robin. The hen. You can say the position in X and Y grid. I have a video that explains X and Y grid. You can see it if you don't know that, but just for reminding, XY grid is something like this. And for example, the 100 and 101 will be some place like this. And I will choose the farm background again here. Farm background, and so we have a lot of more things. We have the actually show and hide button. It will show and hide that sprite. We will talk about where we can use it in our game. And we have the size. It is 100%. We can put it to 50%. It is the hen house. You can go there, and we can adjust the direction in this circle, or with typing the direction here, and you can flip it with this. As you can see, you can flip it really easy. I want in 90 degree and in rotate, and in not rotate, it will not rotate in any degree. So I put 90 degree again and to rotate part. So you saw the settings one, and let's talk about the menus. What are them? You can select the language here that you want to work with it, or you can make a new game, load a game from your actual computer, or save your game to your computer. You can restore the sprite. So let's continue with learning the parts, costumes and sounds here. So we can go to sounds first. It is easier than costumes. Here we have some sounds, some musics, or some effects. For example, we have this bird effect here, and we can choose another sound from clicking on search button or this button. So here we have a lot of sounds, a big collection of sounds, animals, effects, loop, notes, percussion, space, sports, voice, and lots of and anything else, some music maybe. This is great. So, this is the sound. So, this was the sound. It is so funny. You can copy part of it and paste it in another part. You can make it faster, slower, louder, softer, mute it, or make fade in or fade out, or reverse it. Reverse is really great. This is the options. You can delete this. We can record the sound here. Hello and welcome to Batio. This is my sound. I save it here. Hello and welcome to Batio. I can make it faster.
Hello and welcome to Batio.
Make it faster.
Hello and welcome to Batio.
Yes, it's really great.
Hello and welcome to Batio.
Hello and welcome to Batio.
This is really good.
Hello and welcome to Batio.
Hello and Hello and
And we can make it louder,
Hello and
softer,
Hello and
mute it, or
Hello and
I can make it fade in, fade out, or
Right have it not. Oh, wonderful.
this is really funny. I make it robot.
Hello and welcome to Batio.
This is really fun. So we can use it in code with the sound blocks, play sound until done, start sound, stop all sounds, change pitch effect, set pitch effect, or any audio effects, clear sound effect, change volume by -10 or by 10, and set volume to something that this is no need to actually discuss about them. They are really easy peasy lemons crazy. So here we will go to start coding. So at first we should know a really important block called when green flag clicked. So it is really important. When you want to start the program, you put this block and you say that if this flag clicked, the program will start. So let's start with one actually block in loops. Say something will print something here, like saying something. For example, I say hello, or we can say Batios, 2 seconds. This means after 3 seconds, the Batiot name will be disappeared. So I click on this flag, and it says Batiot. After 3 seconds, it disappeared. We can use say hello, or without the time. It will be showing Batiot forever. And if you want to stop it, you should click on this stop button. We have think something, it brings something like saying something, but thinking. You see the circles. It means thinking. Again, just like say for 2 seconds, mean after 2 seconds it will be disappear. And think him means that forever it will think that. We have some switch costumes. Let's go to costume now. So now we want to go to costume and say what is costume. So we have some other hand here. They are doing something else. We can use them in our order. This will be something like animation. It will move like animation if we put a great delay between them. For example, I can say here switch costume to hand A. This is hand A. This is hand B. This is hand C. This is hand D. And you can draw new costumes. Yellow color. Yes. And this is our chicken, our new costume for our chicken. Again, we can choose from a large collection of the costumes, random costume, or we can upload costume for our sprite. We can say switch to one of the costumes. As I said, for example, I say when I click the green flag, it will switch into my costume. Let's say to the back. We have next costume here. It will go to the next costume when I click on this. And we have costumes for the backdrops too. Here in backdrop part is the costume of the backdrops. You can say switch to a backdrop to one of the costumes. For example, XY background, farm, next background, previous backdrop, random backdrop, and you can use next backdrop too. So let's go to motion. We have some really easy blocks. Move 10 steps. It will go 10 steps every I click on this. It is -104. When I click it, it takes to -94, and it's great, I think. And you can use turn something, turn 15 degrees in clockwise. We are in this, yes, turn 15 degrees in clockwise, or we can say turn 15 degrees unclockwise. Yeah. And so we have go to X and Y. For example, I say go to X0 and Y0. Go to the center. It goes to the center. And we have glide to somewhere. I say glide to X0 and Y0 in 1 second. It goes there in 1 second. If I say in 2 seconds, it will be more slow. It will be slower than the last one. And let's go to control. We have wait. This is really easy. Wait 1 second and do something, or 0.1 second and do something else. Repeat something. I say repeat 15 degree. It turn 15 degree for 10 times. And we have forever do something. For example, I can say forever point toward or we didn't say that. We can say turn 15 degree. You can see it turns and turns and turns and turns and turns forever. If you want to stop it, you should click on the stop button. And we will not work with sensing operators and variable and byte blocks in this session. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you like that, please press the like button and subscribe button and help us in making videos by sending the comments to the email, our email that I will put on the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.